Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here at Gala, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple of key factors here and just kind of see where we're at in the overall sense of things. We're looking pretty good here. But we do got to recognize there's a pretty big, significant pump. If it does pull back, we got to be mindful of certain areas that it could. Again, that 0.382, 0.5, 0.618 are common retracement levels. So just be mindful of that. I do not recommend shorting to that level, of course. I think it's just treacherous market conditions to consider shorting. Just based on everything being so bullish, right? So please, please, please try not to be that guy or gal, and just make sure you trade safely, right? That's kind of the whole concept. So if you're new to the channel and you want to trade safer, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. We've got a Trading Academy, community, and signals group. Hope you can check that out. Also, make sure to reference our trade results here. We got some awesome traders here. Well done, Mac, Providence, Soren, David Michael, of course, the Scalping King there, Red Coke, Giancarlos. The list goes on. These are all trades that we're taking as a community. It's very, very awesome. I do have trade signals that are kind of the foundation of that, right? So we took nice OGN profits here recently. Algorand, SEI, a few trades to say the least, right? So it's been a good experience. I'm super happy that everyone's finding benefit. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. Let's talk a little bit about Gala, not Gaga, and see what's going on here. All right. So with the backend data, okay, come on. Let's do this. Sorry. With the backend data, what we want to look at with Gala is liquidation levels. If I recall correctly, there were some liquidation levels just above the price action when we left off yesterday, and it had swept that level in all reality. Okay, so yeah, for sure. This is what shorting a coin looks like, right, folks? People that are shorting coins right now are getting demolished. Okay, so please try not to be another statistic. This is that heaviest concentration we looked at. It was about 5.2. So we're going to focus on that being a potential support level, just because, again, this 0.236 level is a common retracement zone where the price will typically bounce. Again, more than likely, we're going to see the price pull back a little bit further, and if it does, these are the three levels you focus on. We're going to say 4.3, 4.6, and what is that, 4.9. Okay? So there's three areas you want to kind of pay attention to. Taking a look at the daily, let's quickly double check a couple of things here. Simple moving averages, phenomenal. We're above all four. Okay? Now that's pretty common for most coins right now. So just kind of reiterating the fact that we're truly bullish in the market. Okay? Again, all the more reason why shorting coins is a bad idea, just in general. You're statistically less likely to find success. That's all there is to it. Now that you can't do it is just not ideal. Okay? Moving forward here, though, we can see RSI breaking through 70. We can see stochastic RSI swinging back up. Money flow index doing its thing right there at that level of 70. These are all good things. We got money flowing into the coin. We've got indicators letting us know the momentum has shifted from bearish to bullish and that we are in all good shape here. Okay, so is the price going to catapult to 10 cents tomorrow? Probably not. But this extra amount of volume is helping a lot, and it's reiterating the fact that we have a tremendous amount of support at these lower levels between 4.3 and about 4.6 based on previous resistances. And of course, volume, if you zoom out a little further, you can see 3.8. Let's just say 4 cents even is that strong accumulation of volume. Keep it easy to remember. But again, all that volume is accumulating right here at 0.786. Really common for that to occur. So the great thing about this coin here is the fact that if you take a long position, you're going to have more success almost anywhere that you get in. Now, again, it really depends on your leverage and your liquidation of that leverage if you were to use high leverage, right? We don't use high leverage. That's why we survive the market, and we basically get very few stop losses. We have one stop loss so far this month, and so far last month we had 0. But as you can see, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades to the downside. All have a majority of low profitability, and all the longs are much more profitable. So folks, what are you doing trying to short? It's not the right market for it. So I'd just love to reiterate that and reaffirm it. Oh, before I forget too, if you're watching this far, thank you, by the way. I hope that you can like the video, comment below, greatly appreciate that. Helps grow the channel, and obviously get some more content like this to people that deserve it. Because most people are probably following Tom, Dick, and Harry out there who are destroying them left and right because they are recommending high leverage. Again, it's not a problem, don't get me wrong. If you're really, really, really good, I'm really, really good, and I don't like to face liquidation levels at any given time. Okay, it feels terrible to get liquidated. It's been years for me, honestly, but on the same accord, I know the feeling. It's not good. So set a stop loss, folks. It's important. Stop loss is actually your friend if you think about it. Okay, hourly time frame, everything's fully on fire. There's 0 reasons to consider shorting this coin. Right, if you look at the macro, you could probably go look in the 15-minute time frame and find some kind of bearish divergence, and you can short into it totally. But from a swing trader's perspective, it makes 0 sense to short this coin right now. It makes 100% sense to consider entry at specific levels here. So again, 4.9, maybe just consider 5 cents even for a long. Same thing here as well. We got 4.6, maybe go 4.65. Okay, try to get in, just be just above these key levels, and you'll find yourself getting filled better and getting better average positions. Same thing follows suit too for the upside. In fact, let's talk about that, because it's not all about price pulling back. If the price continues higher, where's it going to go? Well, we can reverse our fibs here and kind of see the next key level would be roughly about 6.5. I'm rounding down, but 6.5 or roughly 7 cents even are going to be those two areas in which we see the price continue higher. 1.618 is the most common, so we could hypothetically even see 7.4, upwards of 7.4. Okay, so those are just some areas of potential continuation. And of course, obviously, the areas of retracement are here. Down below, of course, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618. Okay, so again, that's where we're at, folks. Hope this made sense. I described this correctly. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, of course, you again check out Bitunix. Gala will be added to this Bitunix. Or sorry, the trading pair will be added to the exchange here shortly. Link down below for them. If you use my link to register, get some nice rewards, of course. But more importantly, no KYC or VPN. That is the premise of the exchange. They're fantastic, phenomenal exchange. Be sure to check them out. Thank you again, Bitunix, and of course, my community members for just making my life awesome. And it's all because you're in it. So thank you so much. Deeply appreciate you. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself.